Repair C containers offer a range of 4G combination packaging solutions for the transportation of dangerous goods by road, sea or air, utilising specific approved inner packaging. Always refer to the Code 14 assembly instructions when assembling this package, which provides information on the correct assembly method and a list of approved inners. Assemble the box, folding in the bottom flaps as numbered and sealing the base with 75mm adhesive tape in a U-shape twice. Place the approved inner into the 4G box. Close the outer box by folding the flaps as numbered. Seal with 75mm adhesive tape in a U-shape twice. Your product is now correctly packaged and ready for the appropriate hazard labels to be affixed, along with any other necessary consignment information.